guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back in our kids video, guys. Today we're on Gradient Network, which is an open layer for edge computing built on the Solana blockchain. But just before we start, let's put a disclaimer. Disclaimer: this is not an investment advice. Remember to do your own research before investing. Always speak to your financial advisor and ask them for any help before investing. Remember guys, you always invest at your own risk. So as you guys see, we are today on Gradient Network. Their mission is to basically democratize access to the computational resources by creating a decentralized infrastructure that connects and utilizes underused computing power globally. This approach aims to make computing services more inclusive, accessible, and affordable for everyone, which they say. So the network employs edge computing, which processes data closer to its source, reducing latency and bandwidth usage. This is particularly beneficial for applications requiring real-time data processing, such as AI interface, serverless functions, and content delivery. So the development is structured into three phases. The pervasive connectivity, which is establishing a peer-to-peer edge compute network to provide essential infrastructure and real-time analytic insights. Another one is homogenized computation, which is aggregating and standardizing diverse computing resources into a unified layer supporting various applications. And the other one is adaptive orchestration, which is basically efficiently allocating resources to meet diverse demands from content delivery to AI interface. If I remember right, in the September 2024, Gradient Network secured funding from notable investors including Multicoin Capital, Pantera Capital, and Sequoia Capital, underscoring confidence in its vision for a decentralized computing infrastructure. So to engage in this network, users can participate in the Sentry node open beta by installing a browser extension that operates as a node within the network. But guys, I'm gonna show you more in this video. So let's go and explore the features. You can see we're here, which are backed by the Multicoin I've mentioned, the Hogoshan, and the Pantera that have been mentioned by me as well. You can see they're also on Twitter. And here, Gradient HQ, massive. Look how much followers they have, 1800k. That's a big number, I'm not gonna lie, it's huge, humongous, someone would say. So I've got uniting people across the globe. It's whole decentralized compute tribe. So as you can see, they're very, very active. Something that looks like an NFT, but I really like this graphic. It's very nice. So you can see lots of stuff, lots of updates they're posting all the time. They're promoting Solana. Oh, actually not. Solana mentioned them in a comment. That is huge. Wow. Some other big guys. Yuan Gong. Yeah, big things happening on Twitter. So definitely check it out if you want to be up to date with all their updates. So guys, let's get into the Explorer. So that's what it looks like. The connectivity coverage is 193 regions. 4,470,000 active Sentry nodes, and the total taps is 1.16 billion. So you can find your own node depending on when you are. It's quite cool, isn't it? You can see that they have a big coverage in Europe, some in Russia, some in Kazakhstan, big coverage in Bangladesh, big one in Thailand, Vietnam, and Cambodia. Well, not that big now. It used to be look big like from this distance, but yeah. By Europe, mainly Germany is massive, as you can see here. That's in thousands. So is UK, so is Spain. But as you can see, these countries are quite not there yet. How the tapping work? I tap it or I see like this. Oh wait. Right, let me go to this United States, which are covered as well. So with the hex node here, and it shows you like this shooting thing. It's quite interesting. Now we go in the docs. Well, there's lots of information about them, but I'm just going to slowly scroll through it. But you can see here, that's all the things we've mentioned at the start, which is the pervasive connectivity, homogeneous computation, and adaptive orchestration. So if you guys didn't hear about it, definitely go back at the start of the video and listen to it. There's lots of information that I have mentioned. So that's our architecture. It's a very nice, lots of information. So definitely worth checking out. So now I'm gonna go into Sentry mode where you can see more of stuff about them. But I'm just gonna scroll down slowly, guys. I don't want to bore you too much. So we've got the don'ts and do's, the manager Sentry mode. We've got community guidelines here, 1 account per user, as you can see here, normal account, and that's like a restricted account. And we have to install only one Sentry node on each device. As you can see here, there's some rules on multiple Sentry nodes. There's some types of unsupported IP addresses. Lots of information, guys. Definitely worth checking it out. There's lots of good information that you would definitely be interested in if you like the project. They've got some reward scheme, as you can see here. Just gonna slowly scroll down, guys. Anytime you see something interesting, just post a video and have a wee read through, as I don't want to bore you too much by reading it myself. But it's definitely interesting if you like this kind of projects. Lots of good stuff in here. And lots of explanations for different topics, which is definitely worth checking out, guys. Obviously, you're able to check out their website, the Twitter that I showed you at the start, but I'm gonna go into it again because there's lots of valuable information. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Remember to smash the like button, comment down in the section below, and subscribe and notification on, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.